assessment asks us to use the minor resonance contributors of this molecule to predict where nucleophiles will add. If we look at the resonance contributors, the first thing I notice is the carbon-oxygen pi bond. It's a polar pi bond, so we can separate the charges of the polar pi bond in a resonance contributor, where we'll break the carbon-oxygen pi bond, put a negative charge on oxygen and a positive charge on carbon. The pi bond is then in resonance with the positive charge, so we can draw another resonance contributor where we shift the pi bond over and have a positive charge on carbon. These are the minor resonance contributors for this structure. This helps us predict where nucleophiles will add. Nucleophiles are molecules with partial or full negative charges, and they will react with atoms that have a partial or full positive charge. Based on the minor resonance contributors, these two positions have positive charges, and these are the positions where nucleophiles add. Nucleophiles negative attack positives in our resonance contributor.